जस्ट इंग्लिश। माय नेम इज़ राज एंड आज देख रहे हैं कुछ बच्चे आप लोगों के सामने हैं एंड दे आर लर्निंग बेसिक्स। फ़िलहाल मैंने आप इन लोगों को प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट ही पढ़ा है एंड सम बेसिक्स। सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड कि इन लोगों से थोड़ा सा बुलवाने की कोशिश करते हैं एंड दिस इज़ हाउ यू विल ऑल्सो नो दैट हाउ वी मेक किड्स टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. So we have some kids. Let's have a little introduction and then we will start this session. So are you all set, guys? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Just little introduction, not more, right? Like my name is this and I'm from here and I'm a student of. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me about you.
Hello, my name is Yuvraj. Presently I am living at Jaipur Reject in New Delhi.
Okay. And I'm a student of class?
I am a student of class 6th.
Okay, sounds good. Tell me about you.
My name is Ritik Raj. I am from Delhi. I am a student of class 8th.
Okay, sounds good. What about you?
My name is Amit. I am from Delhi. I am a student of class 12th.
You're a student of class?
12th.
12th. Okay, tell me
My
about
name
you.
is Adas Pandey.
Sorry, once again?
My name is Adas Pandey. I am from Bihar. I am student of class 5th.
I am a student of, bolo?
I am student of class 5th.
Class 5th. That's good. What about you?
My name is Tanya. I am living at Jaipur Extension in New Delhi. I am a student of class 8.
Okay, sounds good. Are you all set, guys?
Yes,
Let's start from you, please. Tell me about you.
Hi guys, my name is Dev and I am from UP and I study at
I'm a student of
I am
class.
student of class 4th.
That's okay. What about you?
Hi guys, my name is Sundaram. I live at Jaipur in New Delhi.
Okay.
I read in 7th class.
You are a student of class 7th, right?
Yes, sir. Right.
Okay, tell me about you.
Hello, my name is Dev. I live at Jaipur in New Delhi. I am student of class 4th.
You are a student of class 4th.
I am student of class 4th.
Okay, don't hesitate, don't scare, डरो मत. Are you ready? Okay,
Yes.
yes, tell me about you.
Hi guys. My name is Abhijit Pandey. I am from Bihar. Presently, I live at Jaipur in New Delhi.
Okay. So this was the little introduction, guys. हमने थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन किया. अब मेरे पास कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं आप लोगों के लिए जो प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट में हैं, राइट? सो कैन आई आस्क यू दोज क्वेश्चंस?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
आर यू रेडी टू आंसर?
Yes, sir.
ओके. सो माई फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट्स वेरी सिंपल. मैं आपसे सवाल पूछूंगा और आपको उस सवाल का जवाब देना है और आपको सेम सवाल इनसे पूछ देना है. क्लियर है? पूछ लोगे? ओके. व्हाट इज़ योर नेम?
My name is Yuvraj.
ओके, इनसे पूछो.
What is your name?
My name is Ritik Raj.
आस्क हिम.
What is your name?
My name is Amit. What is your name?
My name is Adas Pandey.
सॉरी, वंस अगेन.
What is your name?
My name is Adas Pandey.
आस्क
What
हर.
is your name?
Once again.
What is your name?
My name is Tanya.
Okay, Tanya, you ask this question to this guy.
What is your name?
My name is Abhijit Pandey.
Okay, ask him.
What is your name? Hello, my name is Dev.
Your name is
My name is Dev.
Dev. Okay, great. Ask him.
What is your name?
Hi, my name is Sundaram.
Very nice.
Hello, what is your name?
Hi, my name is Dev. Hi, what is your name?
Hi, my name is Raj and I'm your English trainer. You know this?
Yes.
Okay. So guys, this was ये छोटे छोटे जो सवाल हैं यही आपको सिखाएंगे. Like हम क्या सीख रहे हैं कि क्वेश्चन कैसे पूछना है और कैसे उसका जवाब देना है, राइट? छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चंस का हम जवाब देंगे फिर धीरे धीरे हम ज़्यादा समझ पाएंगे. आर यू रेडी फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन?
Yes, sir.
ओके. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैं आपसे पूछूंगा, जवाब देना है, फिर सामने वाले से पूछना है. आर यू रेडी?
Yes, sir.
ओके. सो हाय, वेयर डू यू लिव?
I live at Jaipur in New Delhi. Hi, where do you live?
Hello, I live at Jaipur in New Delhi.
सॉरी, वंस अगेन.
Hi, I live at Jaipur in New Delhi.
गुड.
Hello, where do you live?
I live at Jaipur in New Delhi.
वेरी गुड. आस्क हिम.
Where do you live? Presently, I live at Jaipur in New Delhi.
Very nice. Ask this question to her.
Where do you live, Tanya?
I live at Jaipur Extension in New Delhi.
Very nice. Ask him.
Where do you live?
Presently, I live at Jaipur in New Delhi.
Presently, I live at
I live at Jaipur in New Delhi.
in New
Delhi.
Delhi. Okay. Ask him.
Where do you live?
I live at Jaipur in New Delhi.
Ask him.
Where do you live?
I live at Jaipur in New Delhi. Where do you live?
I live at Jaipur Reject in New Delhi.
Okay. I live at Jaipur in New Delhi. बोलो.
I live at Jaipur Reject in New Delhi.
Okay. इस उसको एक्सटेंशन बोलते हैं.
Except
बोलो जैतपुर एक्सटेंशन.
Jaipur Reject Exhaustion.
Okay, not an issue. आप बोलो I live at Jaipur
Jaipur
in New Delhi.
in New Delhi.
ठीक है. Ask me.
Where do you live?
Well, I live at Mithapur in New Delhi. So guys, how did you enjoy it?
Yes, sir.
Shall we go for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next question is ये क्वेश्चन जो है मैं आपसे पूछूंगा और सोच समझ के जवाब देना है. आर यू रेडी?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me start from anywhere. I will start from you. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the question is, when do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up about 7 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, very nice. Ask this question.
When do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up about 7 o'clock in the morning.
Very nice. Ask this question to him.
Wake up.
When do you
When do you
Wake
when
up?
do wake up in when
the
do you
morning.
in the morning?
I wake up 7 o'clock in the morning.
Very nice. Ask this question to him.
What do you wake up?
Sorry. Once again. When do you?
When do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up about 7 in the morning.
I wake up about 7 in the morning. Ask this question to him.
When do you wake up in the morning?
Wake up 7 o'clock in the morning.
Very nice. Ask this question to me.
When do you wake up in the morning?
Well, I wake up about 7:30 in the morning. Okay. Did I ask to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Did I ask you? No. Okay. Let me start. When do you wake up?
I wake up about 9 o'clock in the morning.
Ask this question.
When do you wake up?
I wake up about 8 o'clock in the morning.
Good. Ask him.
When do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up about 5 o'clock.
Okay. It's called 5 o'clock
5 o'clock in the morning.
in the morning. Okay. Very nice. Ask him.
When do you wake up in the morning?
Say, I wake up.
I wake up about 4 o'clock in the morning.
ओके सो गाइस क्वेश्चन था कि आप कितने बजे उठते हैं. तो अब से अगर आपको किसी को पूछना हो कि आप कितने बजे उठते हैं तो कैसे बोलेंगे आप? When do you wake up in the morning? Okay, don't shout. Let's understand this. Are we ready for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the next question is about your breakfast. Are you ready? Yes, sir. So I will start from you. Are you ready? Yes. No, you are not ready. Are you ready? Are you ready for the next question? Okay, he's also not ready. Are you ready?
Yes, sir. I am.
Okay, he's ready. So the question is, when do you take your breakfast?
I take my breakfast in 7 o'clock.
No, I take my breakfast 7 o'clock in the morning. In nahi.
I take my breakfast 7 o'clock in the morning.
7 o'clock in the morning. Very nice. Ask this question.
When do you take breakfast?
When do you take your breakfast?
When do you take your breakfast?
I take my breakfast at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, ask this question to this guy. Can you?
When do you take your breakfast?
I take
My breakfast.
my breakfast 7 o'clock in the morning.
Very nice. Okay, you're trying good. बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो आप. पूछो इनसे. When do you take
When do you take
your breakfast?
your breakfast?
Yes.
I take my breakfast 8 o'clock in the morning.
Very nice. Okay, ask this question to him.
When do you take your breakfast?
I take my breakfast 8 o'clock in the morning.
I take my breakfast या breakfast?
Breakfast.
Fast नहीं होता.
Breakfast.
First होता है. Breakfast.
I take my breakfast 8 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, पूछिए इनसे.
Hello. When take you breakfast?
When do you?
When do you breakfast? When do you take breakfast?
I wake up.
I take my breakfast.
I take my breakfast 8 o'clock in the morning.
Very nice, guys. Listen, he is very small child and he is understanding how to answer the questions. And this is how we are making kids to speak in English. Are you ready? Can you ask this question to her? पूछिए इनसे, आप नाश्ता कब लेती हैं? When do you?
When do you
When do you take?
When do you take breakfast?
Breakfast.
Breakfast.
Okay.
I take my breakfast at 8:30 o'clock in the morning.
That's very nice. Can you ask this question to me?
Yes. When do you take your breakfast?
Well, I take my breakfast in the morning about 8 o'clock. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. When do you take your breakfast in the morning? I take my breakfast.
I take my breakfast at 5 o'clock
5 o'clock?
in the
बोलो,
morning.
In the morning. Okay, that's good. पूछ सकते हैं आप इनसे? Okay, let me ask. When do you take your breakfast in the morning?
My breakfast. I take breakfast at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock in the morning.
Very nice. Good try. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When do you take your breakfast?
I take my breakfast 7 o'clock in the morning.
Okay. Can you ask this question to him?
When do you take breakfast?
No. When do you take your breakfast?
When do you take your breakfast?
I take my breakfast about 8 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
When you take
Ask
when
me.
do you take your
Once
breakfast?
again.
When do you take your breakfast?
When you or when do you?
When do you take your breakfast?
Okay, well, I take my breakfast about 8 o'clock in the morning. So, guys, are you enjoying it?
Yes.
Okay, asking questions and answering the questions. It's easy or tough?
Easy.
It's easy. सही में आसान लग रहा है?
Yes, sir.
तो फिर थोड़ी देर पहले आपने क्यों बोला था कि आई एम नॉट रेडी? Okay, not an issue, guys. Not an issue. This is how people do. ऐसे ही करते हैं. Okay, sorry. Okay, बोलो I was joking. बोलो
I work joking.
I was joking. Okay, तो हम serious पढ़ा रहे हैं और you are joking. Okay, not an issue. Are you ready for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, इस सवाल से हम आज का conversation ख़त्म कर देंगे. Ready?
Yes, sir.
So the question is, when do you go to your bed? When do you go to your bed? इसका मतलब क्या होता है? कितनों को समझ आ रहा है? Okay, when do you go to your bed का मतलब?
आप सोने कब जाते हो?
Very nice. सबको समझ आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you ask? Okay, let me ask you. When do you go to your bed?
I go to my bed at 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock.
Yes.
Okay, that is fine. Ask this question to him.
When do you go to your bed?
I
I go to my bed.
I go to bed 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Very nice. When do you go to your bed?
I go to my bed 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock. Ask this question.
When do you wake? When do you go to bed?
Okay, फिर से पूछते हैं. Yes.
When do you go to bed?
Yeah.
I go to bed 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. पूछिए इनसे.
When do you go to bed?
When do you go to bed?
When do you go to bed?
Yes.
I go to bed 10 o'clock in the night.
Okay, at night. That is fine. Okay. So did I ask you this question or not? We have done it?
Yes, sir.
No, he has not done. Are you ready? When do you go to your bed?
I go to my bed about 12 o'clock in the night. At the night.
Just say 12 o'clock. That's it. I go to my bed.
I go to my bed about 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. Ask this question to him.
When do you go to your
You can ask, when do you go to sleep? You can ask.
When do you go to sleep?
I go to sleep at about 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock.
Okay. So hope guys you are enjoying this.
Yes, sir.
So this was the okay. Shall I ask you? Are you ready? Okay. When do you go to bed?
I am back at
I go to bed.
go to bed at 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
9.
When do you go to bed?
I am go to bed 12 o'clock.
Okay. तो प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट में m तो नहीं लगता, तो सिर्फ आएगा I go to bed. फिर से बोलो.
I go to bed 12 o'clock.
Okay, so guys, okay, sorry.
In the night.
In the night. So they are kids, and how small he is, but he is understanding and he is answering. ये एक दिन में तो नहीं हुआ होगा, बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ी होगी इनको, और ये लोग कर रहे हैं. I'm saying guys, this kind of activity you can make at your home as well, or if you think that you have time to send your kids, so send your kids to our institute which is already shifted in Badarpur. You can send them Jaipur Extension, and they are learning. Hope, are you enjoying guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so shall we just end up this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much audience, and thank you so much for the viewers. I would say that guys, please, if you have watched this video, don't forget to share. Guys, say that, please share this video.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, इसमें बोलना है please share this video.
Please share this video.
And please guys, like also, because if you will like, I'm sure they are going to watch this video. It will really appreciate their self, and they will get a great kind of energy. So in the next video they will be doing amazing, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you so much guys.